Combining live and pre-recorded videos is something we here at Evmux love to do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a pre-recorded video inside of Evmux that you can go ahead and play on a live stream. Let's go ahead and jump into my Evmux account so I can show you just how easy this really is. So once you go ahead and get logged into your Evmux account, you're going to be brought here to the dashboard. You're going to want to select sessions, and then you can go ahead and select the session you've already created where you want to go ahead and schedule your pre-recorded video, or you can select add new session, and then you simply want to put in the title, the description, hit save, and that's going to go ahead and bring you over to the live studio editor where we're going to be able to go ahead and schedule the pre-recorded video. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize the town hall for this example. I'm going to select studio. That's going to bring me here to the editor, and then once you're here, you're going to want to make sure you're on the pro scenes section so you can be able to go ahead and add a video, customize it, and be able to go ahead and schedule it. So here on the left hand side under pro scenes, I'm going to go ahead and select add new scene. I'm going to select empty scene, and then I'm going to select create. This is going to go ahead and give me a clean canvas, and then what I want to do is I want to select add new layer. I'm going to scroll down to where it says media files, and then I'm going to select upload new. It's going to go ahead and prop up my computer files, allowing me to source the video that I want to go ahead and upload. Once you've found one, select it, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you don't close Evmux while the video is uploading until it's 100% complete. And once it's done, you can then select the video. It's going to go ahead and add it to the scene, and then what we want to do is you want to click this little bullseye called dimensions, and you want to select stretch to canvas. This is going to make the video full screen so that it's a better experience when you go live. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the video, you're going to select the style and effect, the little magic wand, and now you have an option here to be able to go ahead and loop the video if you want, or if you uncheck that, you're going to see a new option appear called auto switch. And what auto switch allows you to do is that once the video is complete, you're able to go ahead and switch over to any scene that you've created ahead of time. For us inside of the town hall, we always like to send us back to the main talking window. Now when you create the auto switch inside of the editor, you're not going to see the effect until you actually go live. So if you're trying to see while you're testing to see if the auto switch is going to work, even though you have it selected, it's not going to work inside of the editor until you press go live. So keep that in mind, that even though you set it inside of here, until you go live, the effect of auto switching doesn't occur. So now that I have the video that I want to be able to showcase while I'm live, now I need to go ahead and select where I want to go ahead and live stream this video to. So we're going to come to where it says broadcast channels. You're going to select add new destination. You can select Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitch, or custom RTMP destination. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and utilize YouTube since I already have it added. So I'm just going to go ahead and toggle it on. And when you add YouTube, you just want to add your title, add your description, and decide what kind of privacy you want to have when you push that video live. Then you're going to see an option here to be able to schedule it for later. And this is what we want to do. So now once you do that, you're going to see the option to be able to go ahead and upload a thumbnail or a graphic that you want to be represented while we put that event out on YouTube for you. So here on the bottom, you're going to select schedule time, you're going to select the date, you're going to select the time, and once you have that, you're going to select save and publish. Now when you hit save and publish, that's going to go ahead and create a video on YouTube for you, or an event or a post inside your Facebook group, giving the people the opportunity to be able to set a reminder for this live event that's going to be happening. So if you're ready to go ahead and do that, go ahead and say save and publish. Otherwise, you can go ahead and hit exit, and then once you're ready to be able to push it and notify your audience that this video is going to go live, then you can go ahead and hit save and publish. But let's say that you are ready and you did hit save and publish. Now that you have that video ready to go, what you want to do is you want to come to pro scenes. You want to make sure you have the video selected or the scene that you want to appear first. For us in the town hall, we like to do our opening scene, a countdown timer, our main talking, and then we introduce the video, and then it auto switches back to our main talking. So once you're ready, you're going to have your broadcast channel set, and then you're going to go ahead and see a go live button. Once you hit that go live button, it's going to go ahead and start the process of you live streaming, and then you're going to be able to go ahead and play the video. And while you're playing the video, you're going to have multiple controls here to be able to stop, to move the video to the side where you want it to play. You also have the availability to say, hey, I don't want the full video to show, but I just want a certain time of it to show. So you can select that here where you want the video to start at 1 minute and then that 2-minute mark, allowing you to be able to, in a sense, create a clip. So you have these flexibility here in the customizations options that you want to go ahead and utilize. And just like that, you can see that now you have your video added to your live stream. And if you want to learn how to live stream that pre-recorded video to multiple platforms at the same time, go ahead and check out this video where I show you how to do just that. I'll see you in the next video.